Pasta game na. You want water? Ako na alam.
Ano? My throat. Okay, let's start again.
Nandaraya. Naisahan ako ha.
Yung Supsop, ito ay ang channel ni Supremo Santika. Kung bago dito sa channel ko, please subscribe this channel and hit that notification bell. Magandang araw nyo, magandang araw ko, magandang araw na lahat.
Yay! Ang galing. Swim. Okay lang. Baby, wala pa nag-umpisa. Kumain na. So yun guys, kakain kami ng chicken and fries.
Chicken burger and fries.
Yeah, we're gonna eat chicken burger and french fries.
Everyone. Hashtag I'm so hungry. Sorry if I eat during the video.
Ang bibo. So, okay. Whoever is going to win this challenge,
Will be the first to eat.
no, will whoever will finish the burger and the french fries first is the winner.
Okay.
Okay? So if you win, I'm gonna give you a toy.
Okay, but if
If I won, what you will give me?
I'll give you hug.
Oh, kanina yun yung sinabi ko, binalik lang sa akin. Okay, so we will start. At the count of
One.
At the count of 3.
What is it?
O sige,
Eat one.
hindi okay na. At the count of 3 ha. Ready? Get set? Go!
1, 2, 3.
Harap. Here's a ketchup. You want? Ang daw ang ketchup?
What's the game? Ako ba?
Parang sanay kumain ng burger to si Eshan ha.
Tita,
I'm sorry, bro.
Are you excited? Dude. Are you excited for the toy? That's why you're eating fast? Oh, you will be surprised.
No, you're putting the ketchup, that's why.
You will be surprised. I am going to give you special toy. Ang lakas kumain ng Eshan niya burger. Grabe guys, ang lakas niyang kumain. Tinitinay laki ng burger ko eh. Napaka-competitive. Ay, okay lang. French fries also I have to finish. Baby boy, what is that one? In the ceiling. Look. Baby boy, what do you call that one?
You're just joking.
No, I'm not. I say it's very... See, my 2 hands is here. Tatalo ako.
Dandahan. What's the game?
Hindi pa. Not yet done.
Kaya I meant pause the game because I ate really.
Pasta game na. You want water? Ako na alam.
Ano? My throat. Okay, let's start again.
Nandaraya.
Naisahan ako ha. Grabe, smart dude ba? Pinatitingin ko doon, di tumingin. Nung ako. Baby boy ha, dinaya mo ako doon ha. Direk, ano ba to? Ano ba itong artist ang nakuha mo? Yung arte pa niya. Nag-aalala naman ako, baka nabubulunan. Naisahan ako doon ha.
I watched what I was okay. That's the second jewel there.
I know.
Wait, I wasn't joking, but the problem is it's already there.
Baby boy.
Tita, uksan mas pinili.
Magsasalo ako.
Dandan baka mabulunan.
Inaartehan na ako. Inikalat full ninaw. Stop eating! Stop eating because ano.
Pause the game! Pause the game! Eh. I'll tell you when we can go.
I'll tell you when we can go daw.
Wait, you finish your burger.
I will take water. I will take water.
Still chest in her mouth, Eshan. Eat quickly.
Dandan
Uy,
mabulunan ka.
mabulunan ka, huy.
Uy! YouTube!
If you want your ketchup, I will use.
Wait, wait! First, I want to swallow!
Okay, I will give you.
Wait, wait!
You sausaw.
What is wait?
You sausaw the...
Wait, wait! I want...
You drink water. How can you eat? Harap-harapang pandaraya to. Ay, mo wait lang. Ay,
Fair, fair! Uy!
Maybe you too much, Eshan, ha? Don't finish it if you cannot. Tanggalin mo yung ano dyan. Plastic yan.
baby boy, happy birthday. Who celebrates the birthday?
Nobody, because it's a trick.
Talaga? I love French fries.
For you, just wait!
This is competition! Can I dip? Iwan ko mo siya, pinalikan ako 4. I will get half from Eshan.
Uy!
Okay, last 3. Baby boy, you have to eat this. You won!
Wait. Ay, enough na.
So, yung laptop ni Abe. So guys, because he won, I'm gonna give Eshan a toy. Can you close your eyes? No, okay. Close your eyes. I will give you close your eyes.
Close your eyes. Close.
Close na dali na. I will give you surprise.
You didn't prepare it, so...
Ay,
Close.
Can you close your eyes? Close your eyes na.
Close.
Close your eyes!
Garan!
I knew it.
Wala talagang toy, pero bibilang ko na lang siya, guys. Nakakatawa kasi napaka-competitive niya. Ayaw
Suka.
magpatalo, nagsuka na. So ayun, thank you po sa mga nag-ubos na naman ng kalikali ng mga oras para tapusin tong video na to. Peace out always, folks.